Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. This is lesson 5 in our series on how to write a discussion essay. In this lesson, we're going to be writing the disadvantages paragraph for the body. All right, let's get moving. Okay, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. These are the learning objectives we want to achieve. It's our roadmap to success. So the first one is to be able to review the micro structures of a discussion essay and to use the peel strategy. Okay, our next one is to be able to write the disadvantages paragraph for the body section of a discussion essay. Then to be able to innovate and change ideas to be able to write an awesome paragraph. Next, to be able to use a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. And then finally, to be able to use effective sentence starters to make our writing awesome. All right, let's get going. Okay, now it's time for a think, pair, share. So if you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can just brainstorm by yourself. Can you remember the macro structure of a discussion essay? What does it look like? Can you remember the micro elements that go into a discussion essay? What does peel stand for? Talk to the person next to you or brainstorm at home. Now remember, if you want to learn more about these, check out the videos on our channel. Okay, start sharing. So if you've been following our series, you know that in lesson 4, we practice writing the advantages paragraph for the discussion essay around the claim that uniforms are important. Discuss. Now in today's lesson, we're going to be writing the disadvantages paragraph. So remember that in longer essays, especially in the body, you might write more than one paragraph. Today we're just going to do one. All right, let's get moving. Okay, so before we get drafting our own paragraph, check out this example. Spend a few minutes. See if you can annotate it. Can you spot the introductory sentence? Can you spot peel? Can you spot some of those disadvantage points within this paragraph? Can you identify and spot some of those great sentence starters? Spend a few minutes now, jot some answers, or talk to the person next to you. Okay, so your task now is to draft your own disadvantages paragraph around the claim that uniforms are important. Discuss. Now, you can check out this awesome annotated paragraph here to help you innovate or change ideas. You might want to steal a few things or change them a little bit. Let's check it out. You have awesome sentence starters highlighted in red. Maybe take 1 or 2 for your paragraph. We have in yellow the introductory or topic sentence that introduces the reader to the topic of this paragraph, which is the disadvantages. Then you can see in green, we have the point about it. Then we have the evidence and explain. Evidence in blue, explain in purple. Then we have another point in green. Then we have another explain and evidence. Over to you. Go and draft your own disadvantages paragraph now. Use this guy here to help you. Go. Alright, now it's time for some independent learning. Now that you know how to write a disadvantaged paragraph, we need to write one more to consolidate our learning. Go and pick another claim. Write a disadvantages paragraph about it. Use the strategies that we've used today. Use those micro elements, the peel strategy, and those sentence starters to help you. Alright guys, I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.